Fireworks. When I was little, I went to watch fireworks. We went to Timmy's house. Wolly came too. Timmy had a garden. At the end of Timmy's garden was a park. We were going to watch the fireworks in the park.
Is she really be doing the fireworks?
Timmy was very excited about the fireworks. I wasn't excited. I didn't like fireworks. Timmy had animal masks. He ran around whooping. I had a cat mask. I went meow. I like playing at Timmy's. Mummy was excited about the fireworks.
I think everyone's getting a little overexcited about the fireworks.
I wasn't excited about the fireworks. But I like playing at Timmy's. We did painting. We painted firework pictures with big bangs and whooshes. I like the firework pictures, but I didn't like fireworks.
Go!
We played funny games. We played Blow the Grapes.
Go Tig, go Tig.
Over your hands.
Tig.
We played Bite the Jammy Scone.
Right, that's the game. Reasons to eat them.
We played Pop the Raisin Bag. The bag went bang, like a firework. I didn't like fireworks, but I liked eating the raisins. The fireworks didn't start until it was dark. When we waited for the dark, Daddy told us a story. Daddy told the story of the 3 bears.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Bernard.
Daddy, look!
Oh,
Daddy got the story of the 3 bears all wrong.
and she started to eat the bears' cabbage soup.
Porridge!
Oh, right, porridge, right. When the 3 bears came back in, they caught Goldilocks, and she was watching the television.
She was sleeping in the 3 bears' bed.
Oh, is that what it was? Right.
Silly Daddy.
Now. I know, Dad's really silly, isn't he?
Then it was dark. Time for the fireworks, said Mummy. I want to play hide and seek, I said, and hid under the table. Everyone was excited about the fireworks.
Come on, Tig. You make us all late.
I wasn't excited. I didn't like fireworks. I was scared of fireworks.
Hey, Tig, just because everyone else isn't scared of fireworks doesn't mean that you can't be scared. Fireworks scare me. The bangs, the flashes and the whizzes. Fireworks scare lots of animals. Dogs and cats hate fireworks. So when the fireworks start, the best place for animals is indoors. So maybe when the fireworks start, the best place for you and me is indoors too. Then the fireworks won't seem quite so scary. And then we can look after each other. So go for it, Tig. Tell everyone that you don't want to watch the fireworks outside. It's too scary.
Yes, I thought. I'll tell Mummy and Daddy and Timmy that I don't like fireworks.
Don't worry, Tig.
No worries, said Timmy. We can watch from the window. So we did. And I cuddled Willy. Watching the fireworks from inside was fun. The fireworks whizzed and whooshed and painted the sky. When my toy spider heard a big bang, he jumped. It's only a firework, Willy, I said. I like fireworks, and I love Willy.
We've been scared since we were wee.
Granny, no.
You take Willy.
When I was little, my daddy took me to see my granny. Willy came too.
Hello, Tig.
I love my granny.
Come on, let's go. What will we have? We'll have some tea, will we?
Granny and Daddy had a cup of tea. Granny is Daddy's mummy. That's funny.
Can you tell me a story about Daddy?
I asked Granny to tell me the story about when Daddy was little.
I think we'll wait until Daddy's gone.
No, said Granny, later.
You be a good girl for Granny when Daddy's away.
I wanted to help Granny, so I took Daddy's cup of tea away for her.
Oh, no, sweetheart, just leave that because let Granny...
No, said Granny, be careful.
Granny will take it.
Granny said no a lot.
Dad's gonna go away. You bet.
When Daddy left, I had my Granny to myself.
See you later.
I like having Tig here.
Bye.
Bye.
Granny told me the story about how Daddy made a mud pie. And about the mud pie one.
Well, he was carrying a great big tin full of mud. He said, I've made you a mud pie. This is for you, Mummy, and for Jane.
I wanted to make a mud pie too. I wanted to make Granny laugh like Daddy. I looked for a tin to fill with mud.
Clever girl.
No!
But I don't think we can be making any mud pies today.
No, said Granny. I wanted to actually make a mud pie.
It's a heavy one.
Granny had lots of exciting things round her house. Granny says that everything tells a story. I saw a big knife. What's that, Granny? Granny said that was Great Granddad's knife. Can I see? I said. No, said Granny. Mustn't touch. Granny had a big glass bottle. When you look through the glass, it made everything move and bend.
Careful, darling. No, no.
When I tried to touch the bottle, Granny said no. Granny said no a lot. Granny has a staircase in her house. I love to run up and down Granny's staircase.
No, Tig. Don't run up and down the stairs, dear. I don't want you to fall.
No running on the stairs. Granny, no, no.
Hey, Tig, Granny doesn't just say no. She says yes too. But there'd be no fun to say yes if Granny didn't sometimes say no. And Granny's no's keeps you safe. No to spilling hot tea. No to touching sharp knives. No to running and falling down the stairs. So try thinking of all the things to do that will let Granny say yes. Yes to playing with your toys. Yes to asking for stories. Yes to showing you the treasure box. Come on! Hey, and Tig, why don't you tell Granny how much you love her too?
Yes, I thought. I love my Granny. I'm going to do things so Granny can say yes. Love you, Granny. I love
Oh, Tig, darling, I love you too.
you, Granny. Can I look at the treasure box?
Of course you can.
Yes, said Granny. Can I put the jewels on? Yes, said Granny.
Ooh.
Granny saw Willy.
Oh my goodness.
only a tiny spider. But you can cuddle Willy, yes.
I want to find a ring.
And I love Willy. We've been scared since we were wee. Sharing. When I was little, my friend Angel came to play. I like playing with Angel. She's fun.
See you later.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. We played people. We played sliding. We played jumping on the cushions. Whee! I liked playing with Angel. She makes me laugh.
Why don't you go and show Angel your room?
Mummy said, Tig, why don't you show Angel your toys? I showed Angel all my toys. The orange came on fire. I'm making soup. That's in the soup for baby's bowl. I didn't like Angel holding my doll. It wasn't Angel's doll. It was my doll. I didn't want Angel to play with my toys anymore. I put Willy to bed. I put all my toys in my little house. I want toys! No! Yes! No! Yes! No! We shouted.
Shush. What's going on?
I want to go home.
Oh, of course you can, Angel. Let's go and ring your mum.
Oh dear, said Mummy.
That's sad you're going home so soon, Angel. Did Tig not want to share her toys?
No.
No, oh dear.
And we went to ring Angel's mummy. Oh dear.
Hey, Tig. It can be a bit funny seeing someone play with your toys. But Angel's your friend. Now she's gone. Whee! Hey, Tig. That's a big jumble of toys in there. That'll take some sorting. Shame there's no one to help. The good thing about sharing your toys is that your toys can suddenly become new and fun again. Maybe if you say a big sorry to Angel, she'll come back and play and you can have fun with your toys again.
I didn't want Angel to go. She was my friend. I said sorry to Angel. Angel, I'm sorry. In a big way. I gave Angel Woolly to play with. Angel said she would stay. Angel had Woolly under Mummy's work. Here's a kid. It's only my toy spider, I said. Woolly, my spider. I like playing with Angel. We played and I shared my toys. They're like new toys again. I love Willy. We've been scared since we were Baby Ben. When I was little, a baby came to stay for the day. I was very excited. So was Willy. And I made my little house ready to play.
Look who it is. It's Baby Ben.
I liked Baby
Do you
Ben.
have a little look for me underneath Baby Ben's buggy and see if you can find a toy for him to play with?
Baby Ben came with lots and lots of things. Nappies. What? Wipes. Oh. Clothes. Baby Ben didn't have many toys. Yeah! Found it! Just a squeaky thing.
Look! He's looking in.
I wanted to show Baby Ben my toys. Can Baby Ben come in my car?
No, Tig.
Mummy said no.
He's only a baby.
No, he isn't. Can he come to tea in my little house? I said. Mummy, can Baby Ben have tea in my house?
Well, no, because Baby Ben's just very little.
No, said Mummy.
I think it's time for Baby Ben's nap.
Time for a nap, Baby Ben, said Mummy. Baby Ben isn't much fun. I waited for Baby Ben to go to sleep. When Baby Ben was asleep, I asked Mummy if she would like to come for tea. Mummy, would you like to come and have tea?
No, sorry, Tig. I've just got a few things to catch up on before baby Ben wakes up.
Mummy said no. Oh, I said, and played with my car. Beep, beep, beep. Shh, said Mummy. You wake baby Ben. Mummy likes the baby more than me, I said to Wolly. I could be a baby too, just like baby Ben.
Tig, shh, he's sleeping.
I wish baby Ben would go away.
Hello.
Suddenly, baby Ben woke up again.
Oh, dear. Come on. Tig, could you please move your toys?
Mummy's grumpy, I said to Willy.
Hey, Tig. Mummy's not grumpy. Mummy's just busy with baby Ben. Come on, we'll give her a hand. Clean nappies. We'll need one of those. Baby wipes. We need them to make baby Ben nice and clean all over. Clean clothes for Ben. Hey, Tig, and there's Ben's drinking bottle. Mummy will miss that. Off you go, Tig. Helping Mum's fun.
Here, look what I found.
Oh, thank you, Tig.
Mummy was pleased.
Mummy, here's a nappy for baby
Oh. Clever girl. And because you've been so good, you can help me change baby Ben's nappy. Because guess what?
Can I help Mummy change baby Ben?
Mummy, here's the baby wipes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Mummy, here's baby Ben's trousers.
That is so helpful. Thank you.
We made him all nice and clean again. It's only my toys that don't be there. I like helping Mummy. I like baby Ben too. I love Willy.
That's nice.
We've been scared since we were wee. First day.
Right.
When I was little, I loved going to my nursery school. Willy liked my nursery school too. At my nursery school, I had my own place to put my coat. My nursery teacher is called Claire. I like Claire. Sometimes I play by myself. Sometimes I play with the other children. Sometimes I'm so busy playing that I have to give Willy to my teacher, Claire. Claire always puts Willy somewhere where he can watch me playing on the messy table. Doing my writing. Playing with the sand. Having fun with water. One day, a new little boy came to my nursery.
Everybody, this is Rufus.
Claire told us the new boy's name was Rufus. Rufus didn't seem very happy. Rufus didn't want to play. Claire gave Rufus some toys. Rufus just looked. When we went out to play, Rufus stayed inside. At story time, Rufus sat by himself. He didn't want to sit with me.
There once was a fluffy yellow chick called Charlie.
Claire told us the story of Charlie Chick.
Charlie loved his mummy, and he loved cuddling up underneath her warm, feathery tummy.
I like the bit when Charlie Chick is frightened of the outside world till he hears the chirps of the other chicks. We all chirp like Charlie. Rufus seems sad. Rufus made me sad. I was cross too. What was wrong with Rufus?
Hey, Tig, there's nothing wrong with Rufus. He doesn't mean to make you sad and cross. Rufus feels just like Charlie Chick. Chip, chip! Rufus has left the nice warm feathers of his home and come out to a new strange place. Now you know all the other children, but Rufus doesn't. You know the games, but Rufus doesn't. You know Miss Claire, but Rufus doesn't. Rufus feels lonely and Rufus feels sad. When you first came to nursery school, you had me. So if Rufus had me to help him for his first day, maybe he'd feel happier. Hey, Tig, will make you feel happier too. Go for it.
Yes, I thought. I'll give Rufus Willy for the day. Rufus liked Willy. And we went outside to play together. The next day, Rufus came to the nursery with a teddy called Ed. Rufus was happy with Ed. When Ed saw Willy, he was scared. It's only my toy spider, I said. Rufus likes nursery school now. I love Willy! We've been scared since we were wee. The party. When I was little, I went to a party with my mummy and daddy.
Happy birthday, Timmy.
Don't forget Willy.
Willy came too. The party was for Timmy's birthday.
Angel!
My friend Angel was there too. And there were lots of children. The party was in a big room. There was a funny man called Josh.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. My name's Josh, and
Josh had a flower that squirted water.
we're going to do the hokey cokey.
Josh showed us how to do the hokey cokey. We all joined in.
All about. You do the hokey cokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about.
Pin the tail on the donkey.
Pin the tail on the donkey. And Mummy tied the scarf so we couldn't see. I pinned the tail on the donkey's nose. Everybody laughed. It was funny. A big boy was clever. He pinned the tail just where it should be.
Well done.
Josh had a hooty horn.
Okay, musical chairs. Let's go. Go.
We played musical chairs.
On you go. Oh, my goodness. There you go. Oh, hard luck. Hey, we've got a winner. Well,
A big boy won.
time for juggling.
Josh juggled sweetie packets. I like Josh. When he drew one, he gave the packet to me. Daddy made a big parcel for Pass the Parcel.
When the music stops, you open the parcel up.
When the music stopped, the parcel stopped and was unwrapped. The parcel never stopped at me. I never won any presents.
Oh, Sophie!
I didn't like the party. I didn't like never winning.
Right, everybody, time for birthday cake. Come on.
I didn't go for tea.
Come on, Tig. You're going to miss the birthday tea. Come on.
Hey Tig, look at this. Where will the button go? Where's the button gone?
There.
Yeah! Well done, Tig. Winning feels good. That's why it's fun to win. But Tig, in party games there's often only one winner. So that means you lose more times than you win. Not everyone can win all the time. It's fun that others win too, and fun just playing the game. Angel hasn't won, but she's having fun. Josh hasn't won, but he's having fun. You haven't won, but you had fun pinning the towel on the donkey's nose. Hey Tig, parties are full of surprises. Join in and find the next fun surprise.
I wanted more surprises and ran for tea. I helped Timmy blow out his candles. I showed Josh Willy.
It's only a toy spider.
He's only my toy spider, I said. I like parties. I love Willy. We've been scared since we were wee.
I'll tell you what, why don't
Busy.
I get my stuff done and then I'll meet you at the printers.
When I was little, my mummy and daddy had a very busy day.
Let's go, we're going to go, you're going to go.
Me and Wolly had a busy day too. I was busy doing my jigsaw. Mummy and daddy were busy talking. Talk, talk, talk. Off we go.
We can do that when we come
But my jigsaw, I said. Rush, rush, rush. We got into the car.
Where's Woolly?
Where's Wolly? Daddy stopped the car. At least the brakes work, said Mummy. Mummy picked up Wolly.
Willy was just doing your jigsaw.
Wolly was trying to do the jigsaw. So was I. Daddy drove to the garage.
See you later.
Mummy rushed off. We went into a room with a window. We saw the car go up into the air.
Hi there, how's it
A
going?
man came to talk to Daddy.
On the front, and they're up to 3mm on the back. So
What are you talking about, Dad?
Daddy's busy.
In a minute, said Daddy. Talk, talk, talk. Whiz! The wheels came off the car. The wheels went back on the car. Whiz! Hooray! The wheels worked. Daddy drove us to the printers.
Hi there.
Hi there, I'm supposed to be meeting my wife here. Right.
Talk, talk, talk.
Printing for a presentation document.
What are you talking about, Daddy?
In a minute, said Daddy. Mummy came through the door.
Oh, hi. Hiya.
Mummy! Daddy left to go to work.
Bye.
I need to get
Talk, talk, talk.
size print scanned to PDF in about
Mummy, what are you
printed in
talking
brown.
about?
Just in a minute, Tig. Mummy's
could do
busy.
In a minute, said Mummy.
Do you want to do some drawing for me?
Mummy gave me some drawing.
Come on, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Sorry about that.
Okay. So,
I drew a sun.
Look, Mummy, a sun.
Just in a minute, Tig. Mummy's busy.
In a minute, said Mummy. Talk, talk, talk. I didn't like Mummy always busy.
Hey Tig, it's not nice when no one listens to you. It's not nice when no one looks at your pictures. But Tig, Mummy and Daddy are having a busy day. You need to let them be busy. When Mummy and Daddy are busy, you need to be busy too. You've done one drawing, so why not do some more drawings? Why not make your very own jigsaw? Well, you've got one piece of your jigsaw, a sun. Here's another piece. Dooby-dooby-doo-boo. What's that, do you think? one half of your jigsaw. All you've got to do now is finish off the other half. What are you going to put under the sun?
Tig.
Yes, Tig. A picture of you would look great there. Go for it, Tig. Get busy.
Yes, I thought. I can be busy too.
Oh, well done, Tig. You've been so busy. You've done a jigsaw.
The printer man made another of my jigsaws for Daddy. When the printer man saw Willy, he made a face.
Ah!
It's only a toy spider.
I like Mummy and Daddy being busy. I like being busy too. I love Willy. We've been scared since we were wee. Big stomps.
Look, what's that big red white thing?
When I
Look,
was
what's that?
little, I went on a holiday.
It's not a fairy.
We went on a boat to the holiday. I liked the boat. Willy liked the boat too. At the holiday, we lived in a caravan. The caravan was like a little house. My friend Angel and my friend Timmy were on the holiday too. There were lots and lots to do at the holiday. There was a swimming pool with a bridge. Every day there was showtime.
Hey!
Mr. Tonka played the piano.
Lady!
Daddy was funny and said nonsense.
For your delectation.
Mummy did a poem about a cat.
The owl and the pussycat went to sea.
I like showtime.
Plenty of money.
I made 2 puppets, Bernard and Bumpy. Bernard and Bumpy danced. Everyone laughed. There was a big room with lots of games. Mummy and Daddy played a funny game called badminton. They hit a feathery thing. I wanted to hit it too. I couldn't hit the feathery thing.
Okay, you ready, Tig? There we go. Oh.
I was cross.
Tig.
Daddy looked cross too. Angel did skipping. I wanted to skip like Angel. I couldn't skip like Angel. I was cross. Angel looked cross too. Timmy played another game, table tennis. I couldn't hit the ball. I was cross. Timmy looked cross too.
Hi, Tig. You okay?
No, I was cross. I was making everyone else cross too.
Hey, Tig, there's nothing wrong with feeling cross. You're just feeling cross because you can't do some of the things other people can do. Skipping like Angel. Skip, skip, skippity-woo. Playing the badminton game like Mummy and Daddy. Pip, pop, pip, pop, pip, pop. Playing table tennis like Timmy. Ping, pong, pingity-pong. But one day, when you're older, you'll be able to do all those things and lots more. But Tig, there's lots of things you can do now. You can make people laugh with your puppet shows. Hello, I'm Bernard. And I'm Bumpy. Hey Tig, go and get rid of your cross feelings so they don't hurt anyone else. Go and have a good stomp. Then have fun making everyone laugh.
Yes, I thought. I don't want to make anyone else cross. I shall have a stomp. I stomped into the ball pool till I was laughing again. At showtime, I made everyone laugh my stompy dance. When Mr. Tonka saw Willy, he got a fright.
It's only a toy spider.
I like making people laugh. I love Willy. We've been scared since we were wee. Excited. When I was little, I went to a festival. Willy came too. The festival was like a long fairy tale land. Some people were still like statues. A man floated. A mermaid smiled. A man was so still. A seagull sat on his hat. I was excited. Ooh, there was a noise like a vacuum cleaner. The man blew a big bag and played a tune. I did a wee dance.
Very good.
I was all excited and bubbly inside. There was a man in the middle of the street. The man juggled. The juggling man asked Daddy to hold the ladder. Then the juggler climbed the ladder and juggled. Everywhere, everyone was so excited. People dancing, people singing. But the most exciting thing of everything was my friend Angel. Angel was there too. I was so excited. I wanted to cry and laugh. I wanted Angel to bubble like me. I hugged Angel hard. But Angel wasn't excited. Mummy said, "Calm down, Tig." Mummy took me to listen to a lady playing music. I don't want to listen to the lady.
I think we're all getting a little bit overexcited.
I wanted to be excited. Mummy was spoiling the fun.
Hey, Tig. Mummy's not spoiling the fun. Mummy is a bit worried, that's all. It's fun being excited, but it's no fun being too excited. Being too excited is like bubbling over. Being too excited is like not knowing whether to laugh or cry or jump up and down. Being too excited can be scary. Scary for everyone. Being too excited can make the magic go away. So sometimes when you are bubbling up with excitement, it's fun to stop for a moment. Be still as a statue. It's magic and fun for everyone. So go for it, Tig. Have an exciting or magic time.
Yes, I thought. I like to be excited, but I don't want to bubble over.
Well done, Tig. You seem a lot calmer now. Come on, let's go and have some fun.
I had fun being a statue. Angel played statues too. We were very still. A lady as still as a statue saw Willy. She moved.
It's only a toy spider.
It's only my toy spider, I said. I like exciting magical days. I like bubbling inside. And I love Willy.